Okay, let's restart.
Good evening, everyone. Today we will talk about sustainable development goal. So, Lixiangyu, have you ever thought about how traditional industrial tools like Jonathan's rule or the assignment method could actually support the SDG?
Mm, Certainly, not really. Those always feel like a pure efficiency tools to me, but I guess with the right perspective, they can contribute to sustainability too.
Exactly. Take Jonathan's rule for example. It's just a scheduling method for two machine processes, right? But by minimizing the total completion time, it actually reduces energy consumption, cuts down at the time, and helps factories use their machines more efficiently.
Yeah, right. So by sequencing job better, you are not just saving time, you are saving electricity and extending machine life. That ties in with SDG 9, which focus on improving industrial infrastructure and efficiency.
Yes, and also with SDG 12, responsible consumption and production. Less waste, less unnecessary processing time.
Yes, true. So what about the assignment method then? That's the one where you match tasks to resources, like assigning jobs to workers or machines.
Exactly. It's used to minimize total cost or time by finding the most efficient assignment. When used in real-world settings like logistics or manufacturing, it can seriously reduce fuel usage, overtime, or machine overuse.
Mm, so, for example, if a company uses it to assign the most fuel efficient vehicle to the longest route, they could cut emissions and fuel cost at the same time.
Yep, that's a clear win for SDG 12. And because it helps improve planning and utilization, it strengthens industrial systems, aligning with SDG 9 again.
Mm, I think how these simple measures actually have long-term sustainability impacts when applied smartly.
Exactly. It shows that sustainable development doesn't always require new technologies. Sometimes just using existing tools more strategically is enough.
Well said. Small optimization can make a big difference economically and environmentally.
You know what's interesting is that these methods are low-cost solutions. Companies don't need to invest in expensive new technologies. They just need to optimize what they already have.
That's a great point, especially for small and medium enterprises. These tools are practical and accessible. They help them stay competitive and reduce their environmental impact at the same time.
And from a broader view, if more industries adopted these strategies, we could see a big cumulative effect, less waste, lower emissions, and more sustainable supply chains overall.
Exactly. That's how small operational decisions can scale up to support the global goals. It's not just about one factory, it's about the whole system becoming smarter and greener.
In short, these methods may be simple, but they are powerful tools. They help industries become more efficient and sustainable without major investments.
Yeah, exactly. By applying smarter scheduling and resources allocation, we are not just optimizing operation, we are also contributing to global sustainability goals. Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.